We are still waiting for parts for the 05 STI. But while we wait, I'm going to get a couple things I need to get done around the shop. I need to get the lung block bolt tore down, get the heads stripped down and sent out. There's a few things that I need to get sent off to the powder coat. Words are hard. The intake manifold. I'm going to do the calipers. I don't know what color yet. I'm thinking like an emerald green or maybe a purple. I don't know. It's still up in the air. But there's just a couple things I need to get done around the shop while we wait. And one of the things is definitely get the engine bay cleaned up because it is a greasy one. It's nasty. But there's no brakes on the car, so I'm going to have to roll this thing out and then chalk the tires and stick it out in the driveway because I'm not doing that in the garage. Yeah, actually I might just go get like a kiddie pool or something. Anyway, I'm gonna start tearing this thing down, you guys. I am gonna be keeping the coil packs. Like KY jelly on the bottom of these things. Crank pulley out. Big old 22 honker. I think the 22 is equivalent of a 1/2 inch as well. So big balls. You have a fluid dampener for this. So I am not going to be using this pulley. Come on. Thank you. Pretty sure. Take the outer ones off first. I ordered new. My timing cover's in decent shape, so I'm just gonna keep the timing cover, but I got new bolts. Nothing really wrong with these ones, they're just a little clapped out and I wanted some plain ones. A little fresh bolts. To be honest, it's probably a waste of money. There's really nothing wrong with these. I could clean them up, get them zinced or something, but I said screw it. Why not, right? Although I did get new bolts, I've been marking everything, putting them in here so I know in case I ever want to build one of these again, I got spare bolts and shit. Now I'm keeping these, so I would love to try to not break them, but I'm definitely going to clean them up because they're a little filthy. Clean that up a little bit, but no worries. Some water's gonna come out of this for sure. Coolant. Not much. All right, next is these guys. Now, my understanding is that these are a pain in the ass to take out, and they round out according to Kenner. So, all right, so I went ahead and just kind of went through it. Now, I got my timing all lined up, and it's kind of interesting because, so there's the notch right there in the cover. You line that white line up with it. These guys right here are gonna line up, and then this guy lines up with the notch that's right there. But once they're lined up, you can go ahead and start taking the timing out of these things. Take this bracket off, two 12s there, and then just, or sorry, no, 10s, and then these are all, I think, gonna be 12. So these two pulleys here, tensioner, and then that guy, and then just pull the belt off, but you'll see. Now, if you guys are pulling apart an EJ, go ahead and check out Smeedia. Tanner has been a great help at getting this thing all put together and getting me going on my journey. So if you guys are having any questions or anything, go ahead and check him out. His channel is Smeedia, Smeedia. I'll put it up on the screen. This bracket should be 210s. Pretty sure it's just a guide. These are 12s. Now, I'm keeping the hardware, but I'm not keeping the pulleys, although I might find something useful for that. I hope so. Hope I don't need them. You got a big tensioner that I can toss. Anything worth keeping is the bolt. A little spring tension on the VCS gear. VCS gear. These are cool. I always like playing with stuff like this when I was a kid. Alright, we are not reusing the belt. Leave that. Thermostat. Garbage. These should be fun. My understanding is these right here are probably the biggest pain in the ass. Is these bolts here. They are 10mm Allens, and according to Tanner, they like to round out. So he recommends taking some grinding compound, sticking a little in there, and just gonna we'll take our bio grinding compound. Not that pull up. Stick a little in there. Please don't round out. I have my doubts. Fuck. And I think it just rounded. Nope. Snapped. Balls. Alright, take 2. Hopefully this thing doesn't snap like the other thing did. Five grinding compound. Please don't round, please don't round. Come on, baby. Nice. I need you to hold this, but don't push out because it'll come off, okay? You're all right, you let go. Okay, well, need more weight.
Here, maybe if I stand on here and put all my weight on there.
Just remember that you gotta push it like straight down.
Okay.
Woo! Oh no, I rounded it. Nope. Ha ha ha! Suck it! Oh, got it. Yeah, I got it. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Did you hit your hand?
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you hit your hand on? Are you bleeding?
No, I just ripped some skin off.
Oh, man, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Oops. That sounds really good right now. Nice slice of key lime pie. And I know it sounds a little odd, but if you've ever been to Key West, Florida, there's a little island out there, a little key called Key Lime. And on this key lime, they grow amazing limes, which goes into this amazing key lime pie. Love this stuff. Thanks, Austin. Appreciate it, brother. Ooh. Oops. A little bit of leverage. See, a little bit of leverage goes a long way. As Jack Sparrow says, leverage. Buckwiller. Woo-hoo-hoo, there we go, boys. Ooh, I don't like that. No, I do not like that. That one's gonna snap. I wish this thing had a little bit more accuracy on it. Oh man, did that one just snap too? No. I don't like that feeling, boys. No, it didn't break. Again, what am I doing? Ooh. That's not good. Ooh, wait, no. That's all right. It just took the whole stud out. It didn't snap, I don't think. I think it just took the whole stud out, which I could work with. Do believe. Just coming off. It's coming off. Think the whole thing comes off now? I don't see anything holding anything on. Bam! Rusted shit. You can tell. I mean, that's clean as a whistle. There's no metal shavings in it or nothing. 5-volt. There you go. Now, all I really need to do at this point, I don't even need to take all this out and take everything else out. But, because all I need is just the head, is really it. But, I want to take it apart. Anybody that's ever taken apart a small gas engine knows that you just, I don't know, we're hardwired to want to take stuff apart, I guess. I want to keep going until this thing's down to its bare bones. But, turn the old pistons into paperweights or something. .24mm, take this guy off. Is that the right direction? Yep. Now, this is a 15/16, so I don't have a 24mm, so be gentle because I don't want to ruin it. I believe I'm still going to need that, so. Oil cooler should come free. All I do is take this guy off. It's not coolant. I don't know what coolant was out by now. Now I need this plug, which is also a 24, or if you don't have that, 15/16 will work. I think so. Yeah, 15/16. Screw this the right way, because little corroded. Go ahead and start on the right side. Try to keep track of everything. There we go. Cam's looking good shape. Now we gotta take off the cam caps. It's a 10mm. I don't like that. These go on a very specific way. They're even marked up on top. You'll see it. It's like intake, exhaust, left, right. All right, so I'm gonna take these off. That's intake, that's exhaust. And these guys, this thing's got to come off. So going to, there's a plate right here that you can whack on. There we go. All right. I'm missing something. Screw it. I'm making it harder on myself. Cam wants to come with it. Careful not to let the other one drop. thing. Screw it. Get it over the table because I don't want to drop it. All right, now going off of what Tanner says, like I said, I've been using his videos for pretty much everything on this. Clean off the back of the buckets. And then take a Sharpie and label them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Take your magnet and pull out the buckets. Now, I've never taken out buckets. Three, 4, 5, 6. Pull out these last 2 buckets. And then, kind of surprising, like star bits on all of these, really? It's like you don't ever get to use star bits for anything, man. Oh, baby. Balls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, shit. Damn. I always get worried cracking stuff loose like that, man. Something's gonna snap. My tool, the bolt, saying something's flying. There we go. You can reuse these bolts as long as they're not stretched. All right, first ever head pull, man. This is like, I don't know, what's the new thing that people are doing? Pulling Pokemon cards, or what do they call that? Ripping? I'm gonna rip a pack, bro. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, not too bad. Well, that's gonna wrap this one up, you guys. We got the heads off and gonna get them sent up to Heads Up machine shop up in Auburn. That'll take about, I don't know, 3 weeks for them to get those all squared away and built. And then once we get those back, the engine's going in. But while we wait, there's some interior bits and some exterior bits I gotta do, some rusty parts I gotta take care of. So there's some things that we can get done in the meantime. But if you guys like this type of content, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. If you guys enjoyed the video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up and a share. Comments or questions, throw them in the comment section down below. But until the next one, take care, stay safe, we'll see you around.